staying at here in Cartagena is called Hotel Caribe, and it's in the Bocagrande area of the town, which is kind of this little peninsula that comes off the end of Old Town. And it's an extremely nice place. It's got a little bit of a forest here where you can see deer. It's got some birds and stuff in here as well. They keep a lot of different trees and stuff like that, so it's kind of like you're walking through a jungle. You hear the noises of the birds and the animals as you walk through every day, which is really cool. And that's right next to a really nice pool. So for lunch today we decided to stop at El Baron in the Plaza de San Pedro, which is actually a church that I think it took about 70 years to complete, from 1580 to 1654. And it's a pretty nice church. All this colonial architecture is really, really cool, and we've been enjoying it quite a bit in the last week or so we've been here. But we're going to go today up to the castle on the hill and La Popa, which is the tallest point in Cartagena, to see the sunset. Well, we made it up to the hill, which is the highest point here in Cartagena, and this is called La Popa. They have a monastery and a convent here. It's pretty cool. I don't think anybody actually uses it anymore other than a tourist destination, but it's still something cool to see and a very good view of the city below.
right, the shin up.
Here's the little one. Here's the little. You there. Little guy. Him. Big guy.
There you go. Alright?
Thank you.
Leeds United, alright?
Yo la quiero.
No, that's babe. Come on now. Babe.
That's what it's got, well done, keep going.
Oh my God.
So you gave him your Leeds United jersey?
Yeah, why not? I don't need it anymore.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you think I deserve it, please like and subscribe below and check out some more videos on my channel to get backpacking tips and tricks from around the world.